Good morning, welcome to another session of Martin's detailing blog. A really quick video, more of an update than anything else really. First video of the year, and we're into February, and that isn't because I haven't wanted to do a video. It's just been too wet and too cold to get the camera out and film anything that I've been doing outside on the cars. So there's been lots of cleaning and washing and all sorts of stuff going on, but when you get the camera out it just takes too long. So I've just been out there quickly just to keep the cars in good order. But I thought I'd give you a quick update just in case any of you thought I'd kick the bucket. I have been busy. I've been doing decorating as well, but I've had a bit of a tidy up and a bit of a reorganisation in the workshop, and I thought what I'd do is a really quick video, again just to let you know I'm still around and I have been busy, and just to give you an update of what the workshop looks like now. So let's have a look around, shall we? And as you can see, this side of the workshop where you normally see me standing has changed a little. I've had a bit of a move around and I've moved all my tools and maintenance bits and pieces over to this side of the workshop, cleared up the mess that was above the cupboards a little bit, and moved all my tools over to this side of the workshop, and then all my detailing brushes that used to be all the way along here, I've moved those over, and now I've got them hanging on the back of the door. And then on this side I've put shelving up. Let's move around my bike. I've put shelving up, and as you can see I've got my Soft 99 products, my Michelin King products, my Garage Therapy products. Then moving up I've got my bulk products, Cot Chemi, what have I got? I've got Car Pro, all the other different bits and pieces. I've got them all over there on one side, so that all my detailing is on one side of the workshop and all of my tools and maintenance stuff is on the other side. I've got my bike up on a trolley at the moment. It's much easier to move it around like that. It keeps the wheels off the ground over the winter period, and as you can imagine, moving a 320 kilo bike around in this space isn't the easiest thing in the world. So putting it on that trolley, it's a piece of cake. I can move it all the way around one side to the other. I've got my bike jack down there, and yeah, I've been doing bits and pieces on the bike which you may or may not be interested in. If you are interested, then there'll be videos coming up shortly on my my Bike and Me channel. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. That's what my little workshop looks like now. Much neater, much organised. I can see exactly what I've got now, rather than everything bunched up on the shelf and I can't see what's behind it. And as I said a couple of times now, detailing on one side, tools and maintenance on the other. I've still got all of my my towels in here. There's nowhere else to put them, so they're all they're still on this side of the workshop. But other than that, that's it. That's my that's Martin's workshop, nice, neat and organised. So like I said guys, a really quick video just to let you know that I haven't emigrated to the other side of the world, and I'm still ticking along. I will put more videos out as soon as the weather gets a bit better. It's not that I'm not cleaning the cars or maintaining the cars, but once you start filming, you get the camera out, it takes twice as long. So in this weather, I just want to get out there, get the cars clean and get back indoors. So there we go. Like I said, short video. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.